Cheers to Old Fashioned Friday.
Yeah, Old Fashioned Friday has begun.
Yeah, officially, right? Oh yeah,
That's good.
that is good.
What would you give this then? Where's it coming on the scale at?
Damn.
I know where it's hitting me right now.
Yeah. I want
Like-
to say like an 4 is what I want to say.
That was exactly what I was going to say. Trying to find the perfect old fashioned is like trying to look for a needle in a haystack. And today we're heading over to the Deadline to see if they can top the Diller Room as Seattle's best old fashioned in the city. The Deadline is named after a Christopher Walken movie, The Deadline. And the Deadline designates the area south of Yesler as a poverty-stricken South compared to the bounty of the north of Seattle. Can the Deadline beat the Diller Room? Well, there's only one way to find out. You ready for the perfect old fashioned?
I am. I think it's gonna be the perfect one this time.
It's gonna-
Fantastic.
It's gonna beat the Diller, you say?
I think it's gonna do it this time. I think it's gonna beat it. Cheers to Old Fashioned Friday.
Yeah, Old Fashioned Friday has begun.
Yeah, officially, right? Oh yeah,
That's good.
that is good.
That's real good. That's a good kick on there.
Yeah, yeah,
You get a little bit of that sweetness and then that kind of like honey middle. And you got some of that.
yeah. It's kind of nice because it's got a pretty nice strong little punch there, but it's still sweet mixed in there.
Yeah.
Hey, he said balanced. He wasn't kidding.
Great presentation.
I was asked too early, but
Man, that's delicious.
Oh, it's fantastic.
You said balanced. It's balanced. Well, that makes everything all right.
Fixes everything in the world right now.
Yeah. Any sort of ailment
Yeah.
I might have been suffering from earlier.
What would you give this then? Where's it coming on the scale at?
Damn.
I know where it's hitting me right now.
Yeah. I want
Like-
to say like an 8.4 is what I want to say.
That was exactly what I was going to say, 8.4, 8.5, because it's coming in neck and neck with a fair amount of Olympic
Yeah.
Hotel.
Yeah,
Is where it's coming in at.
that's what I was thinking too. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, great cube, great presentation on the,
Got the orange in there,
yeah,
which I like.
with some nice twist in there, some nice, what's that called? A braid. You got a
Yep.
little braid in there.
I like how it kind of, like I was saying, like really kind of hangs in there for a minute after you drink it.
Yeah, that rye really comes in
Yeah.
on the backside.
Yeah, kind of really savor it. Nice heavy glass.
Yeah,
I always appreciate personally. The Deadline.
Deadline's coming in.
Yeah,
Got the whole place to ourselves too.
that's how it should be.
That's fantastic.
That's a good one for sure. You know, Seattle has some really good old fashions back there. There's only been one place so far that was just like, yeah.
Yeah,
Well, and the Founders Lounge wasn't, but that wasn't when we actually started Old Fashioned Friday.
yeah.
So maybe we could like go back there, like taste test it, see how it is, just to see.
Oh, we will be back there before the end of the year. So
That's true, yeah. So I'll have to see if they like, maybe that was just a fluke, that it wasn't great.
you would think it was a fluke because in the regular hotel, in the
Yeah.
what's the regular bar club?
Just the Olympic Hotel.
Yeah, just the regular bar has fantastic old fashioned. I mean, it's coming in
Every time.
neck and neck with
Every time. It's
the
great.
Deadline.
You know what I like about this place though? There's like no wait.
Yeah,
This is a great bar, dude.
yeah. It's a great lounge, great old fashioned, great interior.
Great interior, nice atmosphere in here.
Yeah, yeah, friendly staff.
Yeah.
And it doesn't cost anything to come in here, like the like going up in the Smith Tower.
Oh yeah.
booking the Founders Club or.
No, I didn't realize that about the Founders Club.
Well, yeah, you have to book a reservation.
Oh,
I think it's $25 a person because I think it was probably $100 a book for the 4 of us.
oh dang, I didn't even know that.
So overall, you're giving this a.
My first time trying that Pikesville bourbon, straight rye, 110 proof. I think I'd like to add this to the collection at home. That's pretty good.
That makes a fantastic old fashioned.
And yeah, I'm sticking with 8.4 on it. And like I said, it's kind of neck and neck with the
Oh, the Olympic,
yeah, their main lounge there. Yeah, definitely.
the Fairmount
Mhm.
main bar.
But way less people right now.
But this is pulling in right behind the dealer room, over a point and a half behind still, coming in second.
I forget what the dealer actually came in at. Was it 11 and a half?
Well, the scale's 1 to 10. 10's perfect, and I think we're coming in at 11.